Have you ever looked at the night sky and wondered why the universe expands? Or looked at your smartphone and thought about the quantum mechanics making it work? If you have a hunger to understand the why behind everything in existence, you aren't just a student, you're a future physicist. But how do you go from a high school student to a scientist at ISRO, CERN or NASA? Is it all just math? Or is there a specific secret path? Today, in this video, I'm breaking down the step-by-step guide to becoming a physicist. So, let's get started. What is physics? Before we talk about degrees, let's be clear. Physics isn't just about passing exams. It is the study of matter, energy, and the fundamental forces of nature. As a physicist, your job is to observe, experiment, and create mathematical models to explain reality. Whether it's astrophysics, quantum physics, or medical physics, you are the architect of human knowledge. The foundation. The journey starts earlier than you think. You don't need to be Einstein at age 10, but you do need the right foundation. Your focus must be on two pillars, mathematics and physics. You must have strong knowledge on calculus, algebra, trigonometry and mechanics. In the world of physics, math is the language. If you aren't comfortable with math, the road ahead will be tough. Don't just read textbooks. Start learning a programming language like Python, Julia, Fortran, Qiskit, C++, etc. Modern physics is done on computers, not just chalkboards. Entrance exams. To get into the best colleges, you can't just rely on your board marks. Here are the 2026 entrance exams you should target. JEE Main and JEE Advanced for B.Tech in Engineering Physics at IITs. IAT, the gold standard for those who want to get into research. National Entrance Screening Test for National Institute of Science Education and Research and University of Mumbai, Department of Atomic Energy Center for Excellence in Basic Sciences. Common University Entrance Test for BSc Physics in Central Universities like DU or BHU. For International Scholastic Aptitude Test and American College Testing for undergraduate studies in the USA. AP Physics exams to show advanced proficiency. The academic ladder. Undergraduate, pursue BSc Physics or AB Tech in Engineering Physics. This is where you learn the basics of electromagnetism, quantum mechanics, computational physics, thermodynamics, optics, etc. Postgraduate, an MSc in Physics. This is where you begin to specialize in a specific subfield of the universe. The PhD. To be called a physicist in the professional world, a doctorate is usually required. This is where you perform original research and contribute something new to human history. Top colleges. These are the top global universities. Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Stanford University, University of Cambridge, ETH Zurich. For students looking closer to home, India has several world-class centers. These are the top Indian institutions. Indian Institute of Science, IIT Bombay and IIT Kanpur. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Indian Institute of Science Education and Research. Skills you must master. It's not just about reading books. You need a specific physicist toolkit, mathematical proficiency, calculus, linear algebra, differential equations, and complex analysis. Programming. Learn Python, C++, Julia, Linux, or MATLAB. Modern physics happens on computers and simulations. Data analysis. You'll be handling massive amounts of data from experiments. Critical thinking. The ability to look at a failed experiment and ask why. Career options. Where will you work? The options are more diverse than you think. Research scientist. Working at government labs like ISRO, DRDO, BARC, or CERN. And corporate R&D like Google Quantum, IBM, Intel, etc. Data scientist. Tech giants hire physicists because they apply rigorous scientific logic to any business or technical challenge. Medical physicist. Medical physicist is the invisible guardian of patient safety in high-tech healthcare. Geophysicist. Working in the oil, gas, and renewable energy sectors. Professor. Teaching the next generation at top universities. Is it hard? Yes. Is it worth it? Absolutely. Start research early. Don't wait for your PhD. Intern at labs during your college summer breaks. That experience on your CV is what gets you into MIT or IISc. If this roadmap helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for giving your valuable time.